A few minutes later.
No motorbike because only lakad. Next time. Driver guys, pag gusto kami na kung gusto nila maglangan ng motor daw.
When we come back, only walking just now. And when we come back,
Yeah. Now we were walking now because we only
just walking down,
yeah,
just
it's
walking.
walking. Tapos yung matanan guys.
Yes.
Sama namin
Next
sa
time, maybe next
authority.
time. We will,
Next time, my friend, ha? Next time. Yeah. No problem, my friend. Next time. Another guys, okay?
Let's borrow motor, okay? Me drive.
Okay.
No, next time, just
Next time,
asking,
next time.
Only asking.
Yeah, driver also motor Philippines.
Let's see.
Only walking there, buffet. Yes, only there. Yes. Thank you, my friend.
Yung guys, nakausap namin yung Thailander.
English na
mga
maritime English.
Paano namin
Carabao English, Carabao English.
Carabao English tapos sa amin yung guava English. Binayabas ba? Binayabas ba?
Natin kayo, nagluto ng bulati kami.
Tara. Labas na kami guys, lapat.
Hindi pala, hiramin yung motor hiramin natin yung motor nila.
Pwede,
Tayo magdadrive.
arkilahan na lang. Dalawa tayo, arkilahan na lang natin kung magkano.
Hello, my friend.
Hello, my friend.
Where are you going to?
Buffet.
Buffet,
Buffet, okay.
Yeah, buffet. Tingin Lance. Mas babae pa naman ng drive Lance. Gabi na dito guys, alas 6 kami. Duty ko kasi guys, 12 to 6, 6 na oras. Kain kami saglit, 5 oras na. Basta pahinga pa. Lakad pa kami, haba-haba yung lakad mag. Kung mayroon ng surkatanan kasi dito, okay sana eh, wala eh. Kami na lang natira nito eh, dalawa ni Lance. Kasi probinsya to guys sa Thailand, hindi to tulad, hindi to kasi to syudad talaga. Probinsya to sa Thailand, Songkhla, Thailand. Hindi tulad dun sa Laem Chabang. Andun yung Pattaya. Mas may Phuket, Thailand, ang isla. Tapos yung sa
Pabalikan natin lahat yun.
Koh Chit Chang, grabe yan, sikat din. Pati sa bukod sa Koh Chit Chang, mayroon pang isang Thailand na Bangkok. Si Kintro talaga nila, dito wala. Ang layo sa Vietnam dito guys, pero labas lang kami kasi may kailangan kaming bilhin, konsumo, pagkain, toothpaste o anong kailangan namin. Sa labas ay 7-Eleven mall. Biruin mo ha, immigration yan may pakita talaga namin na mayroon tayong ebidensya guys
Quarantine lang yan.
flag quarantine station, flag Thailand quarantine yan quarantine ng Thailand quarantine. Gabi na kasi kami nakalabas guys, kaya wala na kasi yung duty namin 12 to 6 guys. Quarantine nila guys kasi higpit din sila dito. Bilis ng lakad ng kasama ko guys, gutom na tada talaga. Nagugutom na daw talaga siya. Abangan mo kami guys, magmukbang kami sa labas guys. Mukbang with Lance TV and Chris Mata TV collab with the collaboration with Marks Norberg. Yeah, number 1 Marks Norberg. Songkhla Custom House.
Peace.